feel like when you use shampoos it doesn't work for you, or you feel like they don't clean your scalp enough, or you also notice that when you wash your hair with store shampoos they break your hair or leave your hair feeling breathy and dry, in today's video I got your back because I've cracked this code of growing your hair by cleansing your scalp. In today's video I'm going to actually make shampoo from papaya leaves, because tell me why if I find something that will work for me and others that I will not share, that is being unfair. Immediately I found out that, oh, this can actually work. That's why I am bringing it to your face today, because this actually work, and that extremely hair growth you have been wanting, please stay tuned because your girl got your back.
So now you're gonna be another person. And how do I explain this shit to our son?
This recipe is actually simple. I got my papaya leaves, cut it, wash it, boil my papaya leaves. After that, I allow it to cool down. You can see growth using any shampoo, but make sure that the shampoo you are adding into your papaya leaves, it is sulfate and paraben free shampoos. This will work faster and it will give you the results I'm promising you in this video today. And it's not just that, this shampoo is anti-dandruff. If you are the person that is struggling to grow out your hair because there is full of dandruff in your hair, please, these are the kinds of shampoo you should be using, and add it inside this papaya extract. Is going to work wonders. I promise that for sure, because it actually works for me and it will also work for someone out there. So keep trying until you find something that works for you, then you stick with it, holding on to your Jesus. I hope that makes sense. I added 2 tablespoons of this anti-dandruff free shampoo into my papaya leaves extract and mix it properly. Then voila, our shampoo is ready. So I don't have a fancy bottle to use for this, so I went straight to my dustbin to look for recycling bottles, because it is Christmas period and a lot of cold waters minerals has been used. I know that the bottles will still be around the house, so I visit my dustbin, got one, wash it, and voila, I got my bottle. Girl, this is a gold that I didn't know about, but right now I know about it and I'm not going to let it go. Check it properly, make sure that it is incorporated. I get a knife, pierce it the cover so that it won't stress me while using it. I'm coming from that video where I shared a recipe called papaya leaves with hibiscus for pre-poo. That's what I use as a pre-poo before using this shampoo. You can see how this thing forms so well. Trust me when I say it works, because it's going to leave your hair clean, shiny, healthy. You are not going to feel prettiness of your hair, or you are not going to feel like your hair is going to crack out of your scalp. This shampoo is something to go for because it actually works and is worth trying as well. If you have a tangle teaser, you are massaging your scalp properly, because it's going to lift up the dirt from your scalp and it's going to give you a shiny scalp ever. So once I'm done, I rinse my hair out, I got my towel, reduce excess water, and voila, I move to the next process. If you enjoyed this video, do me well by liking and subscribing to my channel. If possible, you can share with your friend that have been struggling with hair growth, or entertain your friend by sharing this video. If it interests you, it might interest your friend as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you up in my next video. So kisses coming your way. Take it. Bye. Anyway, I must appreciate each and every one of you that have subscribed and like my videos, because it helps me a lot and it feels like that's my motivation that I get from this hard work.